Oh, shit.
Nice. That's not what I tried to hit you with.
I watched you swing it at me. What are you talking about?
Are you kidding me? I was thank you, dummy. Yeah. I would have if I could, though. Where'd you pick that up? That's what you are. I told you that? You fucking wait. Goddamn wait. Yep, sounds good.
Ready?
Yep.
Watch how a routine encounter turns into a life or death struggle in just a few seconds. May 11th, 2023, Flagler County, Florida. Multiple 911 calls report a woman riding a bicycle into traffic, nearly causing several crashes. Before deputies even arrive, things escalate. Witnesses say she starts keying parked vehicles, dragging a metal object along the paint and intentionally damaging the cars. When the first deputy tries to conduct a simple traffic stop near an intersection, she suddenly runs off, heading into a nearby grassy field. From here on, everything you're about to see is captured on body-worn camera, from the moment a routine stop begins to the moment it turns into a violent struggle and a deadly threat.
Come here, now.
Okay, you're not gonna touch me.
Get on the ground now. Get on the ground. Get on the ground now.
Listen, you're gonna let me go.
Lay on the ground.
You're gonna let me go and all your fucking footage
Lay
on
on
the
your
TV
stomach.
shit?
Lay on your
No,
stomach.
you're gonna bring out all your fucking producers right now. All your fucking TV shits, you're gonna bring them out now. Bring them out fucking now. Bring it out now. You're gonna bring them out now. Nope. All your fucking producers, you better bring them out now.
Negative. I'm trying to get her secured. She was resistant.
Yep, you better bring them out. Bring them out.
You can for now.
Yep.
Put your hands behind your back. Do it now.
No. You can go fuck yourself.
What are you doing this for?
Because y'all are fucking videoing me. You know you are. I told you to stop for years. You're not fucking stopping.
Put your hands behind
You're
your back.
gonna fucking stop.
You're
gonna come through with it.
Now I'm not playing with you. Put your hands behind your back. Do it now. Put your hands behind your back now. You're gonna get tased if you don't put your hands behind your back. You know that, right?
More for your TV shit?
Yeah, you think so?
More for TV? More for TV, right? Is that what it is? That's what it is. That's what it is, right?
Don't move.
That's what it is? More for TV? Huh? That's what it is?
Don't move. I'm telling you now. You're gonna get tased if you don't stop.
Is that what it is? That's what it is. More for TV, right? Yep. More for TV. You fucking losers. You fucking losers, man. I'll be your TV show. I'll be your fucking TV show, huh? You fucking.
Leave her on the side so I'll get somebody else here. That's what you tried to hit me with, huh? Oh, shit. Nice.
That's not what I tried to hit you with.
I watched you swing it at me. What are you talking about?
Are you kidding me? I was fucking. Thank you, dummy. Yeah. I would have it if I could, though. Where'd you pick that up, though?
223. Female secure. Okay. Get in the car. Don't even start. Get in the car. Hold on. We got hold on. Hey. Just sit her back down.
Hey.
You're done. You understand?
So are you. Do you understand?
You're gonna go in this car.
You're done. Do you understand?
Yeah, that's exactly what it is. You got a hobble? Or do you have a hobble? I have a hobble. We need it. Yeah. Yep. You're good. You're good. Save tempo.
Female still resisting.
You alright? Yeah, I'm good. And I'll have more tempo. I'm almost positive, but that's what scratched my leg, though. Don't you kick me.
I'll do what I want.
No, you won't, because your ass is going to get tased.
Yeah.
You're doing me. Come on.
You're
Now don't even
doing
start.
me, man.
Don't even start.
Start with your.
It hurt?
No, it doesn't. You know what? You know what's gonna hurt? Is y'all asses are done. So because this is the thing. I know that you're all jokes. Okay. You're a joke. All of you.
Put the hand behind your back.
I'm going less lethal. I'm going less lethal, Cabbage. You're good.
I'm gonna tase you. Do not put your hands behind your back. 1, 2,
Ma'am.
3.
Taser, taser, taser!
Ow!
Put your hands behind your back. Put your other hand behind your back. Do it right now. Put that other hand.
You know that? That's what you need? That's what you gotta do? You're a fucking You're a
No taser
all
before.
it is.
That's double lock. Hold her hand.
That's what you gotta do. You're that's what you are.
Take your time, take your time.
Just wait. Just wait, dude. Just wait. Your welcome home party is gonna be fun.
It is double lock.
Your welcome home party is gonna be fun.
Yeah, alright.
Yeah, you're a real officer? Yeah, okay.
We got her good?
They're not real officers. Listen,
Hold on.
when this is done, you're all you hear me? You're all
If I had $1 for every time someone told me
yeah,
that,
for every time somebody told you that, you fucking wait. Goddamn wait. Yup, sounds good.
Ready?
Yep.
Go the other side.
I got her feet.
Do it. Good.
Go ahead.
Can't leave her like that.
You can't leave it like that. You gotta adjust her. Just lift her up.
No.
Lift her up. Trying to help you. Turn this way.
Yeah, no. You're trying to help yourself.
Flip her. Turn this way.
No.
We're trying to help you. Turn this way.
Yeah, no. You're trying to help yourself.
Okay.
No, we're trying to help you, man.
No, you're trying to help yourself because you're not allowed to leave me on my stomach, you dumb not stupid.
Yeah, exactly.
So go yourself.
Exactly.
You're gonna go tase me again so I can yeah, you're gonna go tase me again? Yeah, no. You, dude. You.
Okay.
No, we're trying to help you, man.
No, you're trying to help yourself because you're not allowed to leave me on my stomach, you dumb stupid. So go yourself. You're gonna go tase me again so I can you're gonna go tase me again? Yeah, no. You, dude. You. Get shit off of me.
We're fine. We'll get her feet in it.
Listen, this is gonna stop.
Yeah.
Right now.
It is stopping.
No, it is stopping. No, there's a no. Where's all the cameras? Bring them out. They're all over the place.
Every one of them.
Listen. You,
223 Flagler. You go ahead and clear the channel.
You good? Are you hurt? Are you hurt? Are you good? Are you good?
I'm good. I don't see anything.
You got a statement for him?
Huh?
That car, so I'll give you a statement. You alright? Are you getting a statement for him?
Yep.
I don't know if you guys have your account. I think that's for B1 over there.
Okay.
Yep. This guy, he said he got hit by. Okay. You grab the statement?
Yep.
Okay.
Statement for you.
Yeah, you got a pen?
Yeah, I got a pen.
Do you want to go on my car or one of these cars?
Yeah, I can by all means. I just don't have time to get in my phone. And you got to record.
Sorry, I know you just bought some.
Dude, I was coming like...
I don't know if my dash cam caught any of it. But I saw. I was right here at the traffic light over there.
You got support?
I do.
Yeah. I'll get mine.
pepper spray or something?
No, just taser. Going up for discussion.
No.
Probably. You got your ID on you?
Oh.
He's gonna give you a clipboard with a statement.
Yeah.
So you could just write down what happened.
Yeah, I'm on that call outside, and hopefully that's somebody's. I'm gonna watch and see, but.
The dire bad, but at the same time, she's. You still talking to her, Uncle? Roll the window up. Let's okay. Yeah, that's okay. She's saying everything. She's not giving a specific.
She's hobbled.
No.
I don't know. Together?
Her feet is together, but she's sitting. Long, as you can see, she's hobbled, but she got out of the cuffs once.
You want us to bring a third canine or something?
He's working on paperwork right now. Ma'am, are you going to be compliant?
Are you gonna be compliant? Fuck yourself. Go fuck yourself. I don't know you. Get the fuck out of my face, bitch.
All right, that's how it's going to go.
I think she should probably be able to tolerate transport in the back of the cruiser over to the hospital unless we want.
If that works with us, if you think she should go, then yeah.
I mean, she's not cooperative, but she's just saying the same thing over and over again.
Ma'am, we're going to take you down to the hospital, okay? When all that I'll ask is when you get there, if you can work with the deputies.
About and all that good shit that we don't give a fuck about.
There's no history with her.
You ID'd her?
No, I don't have her ID, but there's a
No,
male's
because I
ID.
just know everything because I'm on
There's a
fucking
male's
TV.
ID, there's
That's
no
why.
other victim,
Because you're on
it's just
TV.
him.
That's why we know everything about her. We're wearing all those body cams and all that good fucking
Except
shit.
that dude.
Did you check David to see if she lives at that house or something?
No,
All right, so go ahead to the hospital, take Zalac, and then let security know ahead of time that we're en route and see if they can get a wheelchair out. And then cuff her to the wheelchair, bring her in. I think either Lima, would you mind going to the hospital with these guys?
The suspect, Breanne Gattery, was charged with aggravated assault on a law enforcement officer, resisting arrest with violence, criminal mischief, and fleeing or attempting to elude law enforcement.
With these guys, protecting them, would you? Is that okay? If you don't mind. All right.
You want me to go?
No, let's paperwork to do. Yeah, let's have you stand by with all this stuff.
So when